Too many thoughts on my mind, I can't sleep at night, so I just keep writing. I don't need no help, I don't need opinions, so don't waste my time then. I just been living online, my city don't show me.
Hello guys. Today I will show you how to increase the internet speed of your Android smartphone. Before that, make sure that you're subscribed to this channel and hit that bell icon. First step is that you need to install an app called 1.1.1.1 from Play Store, link in description. Then click on Install VPN and then click on Always Allow. Now click on the button and you are all set to go. An icon will show up in the notification bar indicates that the VPN is on. This trick is very helpful for people where signal strength is low. Now let's test the internet speed. First let's check the speed without enabling the VPN. The downloading speed is about 1.87 MB per second and uploading speed is about 0.75 MB per second. Now let's test the internet speed with VPN enabled. The downloading speed is about 6.58 MB per second and uploading speed is about 0.54 MB per second. This is the proof that it actually boosts the network speed. Thanks for watching and subscribe for more content.